Hello 10th class, I Aishi Sharma is here with you with the MCQs of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. As you know student that in first term exam you will get MCQs in every of the chapter. So that's why I decided to prepare question paper for you that will give you more and more practice. So there are 17 questions in this video. So you all have to prepare well to get the right answer. Okay, let's move towards the first question. How does the tiger walk in the cage? With sadness, with confusion, with pride, with happiness. Think the answer. What will be the right answer? With pride. You know that he moves proudly in the cage. Second question, how does the tiger feel in the cage? He is in sad mood, he is in happy mood, he is in angry mood, he is in surprise. Think the answer, how does the tiger feel in the cage? The answer is, he is in angry mood. You know, when he is kept in the cage, he became angry, right? So the answer is, he is in angry mood. Question third, why should he be lurking in shadow? You all know the meaning of lurking. So the question is, why should he be lurking in the shadow? To catch the deer, to catch the lion, out of danger, both A and B. What should be the answer? To catch the deer. Right? To catch the deer. It means he should be in the forest to wait the deer. Now the fourth question. How should the tiger walk through the grass? कैसे उसे walk करना चाहिए? With practice, with ease, with great difficulty, none of the above. Again read the question, how should the tiger walk through the grass? With ease. The answer is with ease. Ease means easily. Question fifth. Where is the tiger's strength locked? टाइगर की स्ट्रेंथ को, उसकी ताकत को कहाँ लॉक्ड किया गया है? ऑप्शन, बिहाइंड द जंगल, बिहाइंड द बर्ड्स, बिहाइंड द नेचर, नो वन. आंसर, बिहाइंड द बर्ड्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Who is the poet of the poem? You all know this answer. Option, Robert Frost, Leslie Norris, Cromwell Wells, John Marie. Answer is Leslie Norris. Name the poetic device used in the line in his quiet race. Poetic device. It means figure of speech. Answer is oxymoron. Question 8. How does the caged tiger react to the visitors? When he saw visitors around him, how does he react? First option, he ignores them proudly, happily, with sad face. Answer of the question is, he ignores them. Right, student? And our next question is, who passes near the water hole? Who passes? Fat pig, fat loin, fat deer, all of these. Answer of the question, fat deer. It means fat deer are the prey of the tiger. Is it clear? Question number 10. How do the eyes of the tiger look? उसकी आंखें कैसी दिखती हैं? Sad, brilliant, light, dark. What is the answer? Brilliant. Right, student? Question 11. What sound does the tiger hears at night? क्या साउंड उसको सुनाई देती है? Following rivers, moving crowd, patrolling car, truck horn. Patrolling car. Is it clear? You all know the answers. Question 12. In reality, the tiger is in the. टाइगर कहाँ है? रियलिटी में टाइगर कहाँ है? सर्कस टेंट, जंगल, केव, कॉन्क्रीट सेल. What is the answer? Concrete cell. Question number 30. The free tiger could snarl around the. जो फ्री टाइगर है उसे कहाँ होना चाहिए? Zoo, forest, houses near the forest and city. These are the 4 options for you. What is the answer? Houses near the forest. I taught you that a free tiger who is in the forest, he should be snarled around the houses which are at the edge of the forest. Is it clear, student? Next, come on the 14th question. The tiger has vivid means bright color. We all know what the meaning of vivid, clear. So, what is here? Skin strips, hair, eye. What is vivid? Clear क्या है? Answer is strips. Next question. Fangs mean. Fangs. You have heard this word in the last 4th or 5th stanza, I think. Paws of tiger, sharp tooth of animal, one kind of animal, white hair of animals. What should be the answer? Sharp tooth of animals. Right? Next question. Which device is using in the he stalks in his vivid strips? Alliteration, simile, metaphor, assonance. The answer is alliteration. Why? Stalks S and strips S. The SS letter is repeating twice. So there is alliteration. Is it clear, student? Next. 17. Rhyming scheme of the poem. What is the rhyming scheme? A, B, A, B. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, D, and last one none. Rhyming scheme A, B, C, B. Is it clear? All the questions have completed and you got the answer. So I hope ये question जो आपने किए हैं ये आपके दिमाग में रहेंगे और इसके आगे आपको दोबारा से पोएम पढ़िए और अपने आप अपने सेल्फ आंसर्स बनाइए. If you really wanted to get good marks, you must do more and more practice of such kind of questions. So student, all the best. I hope you have subscribed my channel. नहीं किया है तो करिए and I will meet in the next video. All the best. ठीक, and like the channel.